What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and we're back today with the 2005 Dodge Magnum RT. I gotta stop calling this an RT because it's not an RT anymore. It's time to pick out shoes for the car, and I kind of wanted to stay Dodge centric with it, like Hellcat replicas or whatever at 20. Because I also have a whole set of Goodyear Eagle tires for it already, so I don't want to pay for tires if I don't need to. But there's a shop here in Fayetteville called Rim Time. I don't know if you guys can see that out the thing, but we're going to go check them out now and see what rims they have available and what we could possibly throw on the Magnum. All right, guys, so you guys see where we're at. Just dropped in over here at Spring Lake at Rim Time, and we got the Magnum in the shop. We're putting some 20-inch Hellcat replica looking joints on the Magnum. And look at this, man. They got some crazy deals out here right now. Look, if you are in the Ville or in the Fayetteville area, you should definitely come through and tap in and come see these people. Now, all of them ain't like this. You have some that you'll be able to get. Now, for you guys that are repair guys like myself, this stuff is easy to repair, and you could get some decent deals on some rims. But they got all kinds of stuff, man. So for y'all that run them squatted shit boxes, to the rest of y'all that run them rice burning pieces of shit, they got rims for everything, man. So they even got big boy shit. God damn. I still don't see how y'all put these big ass rims on y'all's cars, but look at these 22s, man. Ooh. All right, so I haven't seen it yet. I'm just now seeing it. We're gonna see what she looks like. Oh my God. This totally set the whole car off. She looked totally different. It looks totally different. Oh my God. Guys, say it with me. It's L season. It's gonna be L season for these bums. I'm missing a lug nut on that one. Looks like it. What about over here? Yeah, we good, man. Woo. So let me tell you something about these rim shops. You can find some really good deals at these rim shops. So we'll talk about Rim Time here directly. They're here in Fayetteville, out here in Spring Lake. Highly recommend that y'all go see them. Look, man, let me get in here and get away from all this noise.
We on street niggas, we on the dance floor.
I got the stocks in here, as you guys can see. She runs just fine, man. I don't go crazy. I'm not CJ, man. Shout out to my dude CJ on 32s. I'm not CJ. I'm not putting 32s on the Magnum. All right? I'm not putting 22s on the Magnum. I try to stay as stock as possible when it comes to my suspension, because I need the car to handle a certain way for me. And now, I think my speedometer issue is solved, because I think at some point somebody had 20s on these. I'm going to verify that here in a little bit, but let's see how she handles. Yes. All right. So this was a big thing for me, is I wanted to see how she handled with wider tires. Now, nothing against the stock 18s, but last night when I was running with, shout out to Smooth Hemi and Junie and fuck, I can't remember the other dude's name, man. We were just running around the Ville, and like, this car was sloppy as fuck giving it gas, man. It was just sloppy. It was all over the road, and that's because the tires are mad thin. These at 275 are going to be a little bit wider and give me a little bit better handling. But there you have it, guys. We're gonna take her to the car wash before we get done here in a minute, and then we're gonna see what she looks like when it's all done. But needless to say, yo, this is why I said, and talking about rim time, let me just give you a heads up. So 4 tires, 4 summer tires, Firestone Indy 500 tires, which, you know, Firestone's a sponsor, so I don't pay for those anyway, but let's just say Firestone. Firestone tires and 4 Hellcat replica rims at 20 inches, which also a little bit different because they got machined metal and stuff. They're different. I like it. Put me back at $1,500. If I probably got it without tires, I probably could have saved some money, but I was like, F it, I'll just take it with the tires. I ain't got to go home and get my tires and put my tires on it. And then I can still, because, you know, Firestone's a sponsor, I didn't have to put the Eagles on these rims. You know, and Firestone will look out for me. So there you have it. Let's go get her cleaned up. I need her clean, man. Then we're going to take some shots for the gram, and you guys get to see her, man. I'm excited, man. I'm so excited with this damn car, man. Alright guys, that's going to wrap it up for today's video. We had the Copart walk around this morning, so if you didn't get a chance to go see that, definitely go check that out. And like I said, lots of more stuff is gonna be coming on the Magnum. We had an unfortunate incident with the Magnum last night. If you follow me on Instagram at TK's Garage, and you guys already know what's going on with that. Nothing major. It's about to be winter anyway, so I'm not really stressing. But yeah, we got lots of stuff coming soon. Major shout out to Rim Time for looking out and taking care of the Magnum. I think the 20-inch Hellcat replicas with the machined lines on them look crazy. I think they look crazy, man. And if you guys enjoy it, if you guys think they look like they're on point or look good on the Magnum, let me know in the comments below. And what do you guys want to see next? Do you want to see the motor work videos next? Do you want to see getting the stuff ready for the wrap, the name, and what we're going to do with it moving forward? Let me know in the comment section down below. Major shout out to today's sponsor of the video, again, is Mint Mobile. Link in the description down below. Mint is the great wireless service that you can pick up. I think it's $90 a month now for 3 months of totally unlimited service. And most of y'all are probably paying between $70 to $90 for just 1 month of service, right? So definitely go check them out. Link in the description down below. If you're like, well, I don't know if they're going to work in my area, you can actually go down through the link in the description down below. They'll ship you a SIM card for free, let you test it out for a couple of days and see if it works for you. No credit card, nothing like that required. And then if you like it and it works for you, then you can activate the second SIM card, because they're going to send you 2, and start service with them. But anyways, with that said, thank you guys very much for watching. I truly appreciate it, and I will see you guys on the next one.